Hi, my name is Jacob Pushy, and today I'll be walking you through our experiment titled Elephant Toothpaste. For this experiment, we were instructed to create an exothermic reaction that creates oxygen and water by mixing hydrogen peroxide, warm water, yeast, soap, and food coloring. I'm now going to show you guys what this experiment looks like. So for this experiment, we created two solutions. We have our solution of active dry yeast and warm water, and then our solution made of hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, and soap. And so now I'm going to put the dry yeast into the solution of hydrogen peroxide, soap, and food coloring. As you can see, we created elephant toothpaste. So now I'm going to explain to you guys why exactly that occurred. So normally, the slow breakup, or what's called decomposition, of hydrogen peroxide goes into water and oxygen is almost unnoticeable usually. But because of the elephant toothpaste experiment, it speeds up this process with a catalyst. In this case, we used the active dry yeast as the catalyst to increase the rate of the given reaction. In this, we used the yeast. It has an enzyme called catalase, which breaks down bonds in the hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is mixed with the dish soap and food coloring, and the food coloring is added to make a dramatic effect to create the extra large toothpaste, which is why it's called the elephant toothpaste. The yeast is then added, and that's the ion. That ion is part of the compound that attracts the oxygen in the hydrogen peroxide, breaking up the bonds and rapidly transforming the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas. The oxygen molecules then get trapped by the soap, forming the bubbles that we just witnessed. And that is the experiment that I just explained to you guys. That is pretty much it. Thanks, guys.